Hello Filmora editors. I hope you are all doing well. I apologize for the long gap since my last tutorial. Today, we are diving into a new topic, how to blur faces using Filmora. I have imported a video. Add the video to the timeline. Some people are walking in this video. I want to blur the face of the red circled woman. Go to the AI tools. Enable the motion tracking. I have adjusted the tracker on the face I want to blur. After completing the adjustment, click on Start Motion Tracking. Wait till the process is complete. Now, play the video to check if tracking is working properly. From the link element options, choose Add a Mosaic. Here, you will find several mosaics available. Choose any one that suits your needs. I have selected a mosaic from here. Adjust the mosaic size according to your requirements. If you play the video, you will see that the woman's face is blurred. I have now chosen another mosaic and reduced the blur amount. If I play the video, it looks like this. You can also experiment with different outputs by adjusting the blur amount and the opacity value. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more exciting tutorials.